Let's get right to pro trader Scott Bauer for today's Trader Rundown.
This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy, and boy, oh boy, there is a lot of FOMO out there, the fear of missing out. There are lots of headlines out there about the Robinhood traders, and you're seeing all sorts of stocks and asset classes, just people having to jump in so they can be part of it. Gold is one space, the commodity space there. And then some of these high-flying stocks, a lot of the vaccine makers, or a stock like Kodak. Those are typically situations that I stay away from because, you know what, there's not a lot of technical or fundamental analysis that you can really, make with those kinds of stocks or those kinds of emotional type of trade. In fact, I will tend to be on the opposite side of those big-filled, emotion-filled trades as people try to glom on. And again, it's that FOMO, the fear of missing out. And it is rampant right now. So that is something I absolutely would stay away from unless you just have a lot of capital, that you can risk, like rolling the dice, which is not the way I want to trade. Now, some talk in the marketplace right now about maybe a little bit of a rollover that the NASDAQ, people selling out to buy into more cyclical stocks, some other sectors here. I like this little sell-off that we've seen in some of the bigger high-flying NASDAQ stocks since earnings and over the last week. And Twilio is one that I am looking at specifically. I think this is a fantastic entry point into Twilio. So I am looking to buy a call spread in Twilio, regular September expiration, about 5 weeks I have on this thing, the 270, 280 strike call spread for about $2, maybe $2.25 or so. I think lots of upside. And I think, again, this, little recent, let's call it underperformance, as we've seen the NASDAQ have major outperformance. I think this little bit of an underperformance could be an opportunity to get into some stocks here.
Thank you for the Trader Talk, Scott. For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.